We have been, interacting with so many think tanks. Atopa India lady reporting, Sigi Poche, Hagi, Ashonakan International Dimensions of Shalapana, Tokanda, they are now started finding an alternative route to connect Northeast India. Siliguri corridor say, Sinataba, Atoba alternative route, India, Samdana Lambi Tile Reba. Kainova Tori said, what are they trying to do actually? Siliguri corridors in way, Asi Nang Nabi Wari Yaw de Moise. Alternatives from the Chittagong, the Mizoram, Tor, Chittagong, the Bengal, Sambi Wari Rondo, what is Sabdong Tori. I didn't make a thing for the Nico. I don't know saying Kalevish, Kaino Moise. So now going to Tain and Herugi, 1962, my heart goes out with the people of Asam Mutodora Habagi. Right. I don't know, you don't know about conflict solutions, high target, Yan Hanbada. First step should be from the government of India. In concurrence with the government of Manipur, they should control and contain suspension of operation groups. Number one.
Okay.
Number two, the India government of Manipur the confidence built on what is our security policy. Myanmar Tori reports in a Maram Russian military lakadore, Chinese security Taja lakadore, Lakanda. Ashida is the Anoba battleground, Irakanda, theatre, Irakanda, Asina Piraka impact. Adu the equity security policy, in the government with the PDEVA. Adu people targadi, we ought to have our own security policy. See a quick miam, a quick lady Bamam, Wakan Kalaga, a quick Lenga bus, the lady local leaders, mayam, assembly, MLA mayam, Sina, Masi, Wakan Kanmatam way. See Kanlaga, but Chaba. Low frame to security policies among the Taraba. Second World War, the Bahametan, the Boom, Patata, Salavas, the Komamna, Kom Toro, low level, Warido, and mind on Handaki Lanchi the Su, Equity Matum Ram Kang, the Equity and Tango Raga, victim Moiraga, Equity Mark Gidra Habagi, Choba. She is Shumale in the Agamingo in the Mogi, ambitious Myanmar investor, not just Kaladan project, not just Sidway Port, Indian Oil Corporation Limited Key, Manipur Mukchaw Lamama, Sagaingi Shigi reasons in Makada, oil block already leased or later in Yago and Lauraga, Mafam Humari the drill to Wahoravani. Shiva Mayam says, saved on about 130 crore population, destiny, future economy, security, set on one of the Manipur trying to indigenous populations there. Must see dispersed or scattered or Mang Ragasu, they are going the Nachung, the Badam to Yauri, Sigi realizations, people now, I'm doing a talk with the money, I do not target the Queen.